In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom brushes in GIMP, a skill that's incredibly fun and useful for both beginners and seasoned digital artists. Being able to create custom brushes enhances your artwork, letting you bring a personal touch to all your digital creations. So let's dive right into it. First things first, when you open GIMP, begin by creating a new image. Keep in mind that this image is going to serve as the basis for your brush design. A small canvas works best for this, so I recommend starting with something around 200 by 200 pixels. This size strikes a perfect balance, giving you enough space to craft intricate designs without overwhelming your canvas. Once you've got your new image set up, the real fun begins. Start designing your brush. Here, creativity is your only limit, so let your imagination run wild. Whether you prefer abstract designs, speckled textures, or even more defined shapes, draw whatever comes to mind. With GIMP's versatile drawing tools, you have a variety of options to help you sketch out your perfect brush. Just make sure that the design works well as a repeating pattern, especially if you plan to use it for backgrounds or textures. Now that your design is complete, it's time to save it as a brush file. This step is crucial. You'll need to export your image in the GBR format, which is GIMP's native file type for brushes. To do this, head over to the File menu, click Export As, and choose the .gbr format. Make sure you save it in GIMP's Brushes folder on your computer. This ensures that the software knows where to find your new custom creation. The final step is to make your new brush available to use in your projects. Once your file is saved in the correct folder, head over to your brush panel within GIMP. You'll find an icon there that looks like two arrows forming a circle. That's the refresh button. Give it a click to refresh your brushes. This step essentially acts as a quick reset for the brush library, prompting GIMP to recognize any new additions. And there you have it. Your custom-designed brush is now ready to use. With your new brush added to the library, you can start incorporating it into your projects. Experiment with different settings like size, opacity, and spacing to discover how best to utilize your creation. Custom brushes are a fantastic way to add layers of depth and complexity to your digital work, providing unique textures and styles that set your art apart. Thanks for tuning in to this tutorial. I hope you're excited to keep creating unique brushes and bring your art projects to life with your newfound skills. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to explore more tutorials or reach out to the GIMP community, who are always eager to help. Happy creating!